Eaton Viking snowblower, and for those of you who follow this channel, which is probably just about none of you, you'll notice that I took the original 5 horsepower Tecumseh engine off and chucked that piece of shit in the trash where it belongs. No, I'm kidding, I restored it. But it does belong in the trash. Tecumseh engines are garbage, and this is coming from somebody who owns like 5 of them, so... Anyways, so I put a Predator engine on it, and I know I swore I'd never buy a brand new engine, but I just couldn't take the Tecumseh. I just couldn't take it anymore, okay? It's the dead of winter, it has an electric starter on it, and it still won't start. So much cranking that smoke starts coming out of the starter. So I kind of got tired of walking into the shed to find a puddle of fuel on the ground every single day. So this is totally cold, it's about 10 degrees outside, let's see if it'll start. I'm betting second pull. There you go. That's something the Tecumseh could never do.